Hello, greetings and salutations. It's been a while since I popped on and did a little video, so I wanted to share with you our brand new Ninja Trading Forex indicator that has been incredibly and perfectly programmed by our amazing Kevin Orm on our team. Now, we bought you the Ninjacator, which is a hot piece of kit, and anybody who's into trading and has used the Ninjacator has said that it's improved their trading by massive percentages. Okay, it's really good at getting those precise entries. Okay, so what we've done now is we have put together something called the Ninja Matrix, and it is incredibly exciting. What it does is it shows you on your chart how long to stay in that trade for, because a lot of the times you get in your trade and maybe you get out too early or you don't get out quick enough and you get a bit drawdown and you never really know how long to stay in your trade for. Well, we have taken all that confusion away by doing a really simple indicator. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you it. Okay, it's literally been launched this week. All of our Ninja Forex trading team have been testing it this week, and so far it's just performing so well. So I wanted to share it with you because it's quite brilliant. So share screen. I think I'm sharing that one. Okay, so this is your matrix. Okay, let me just turn off the Ninjacator for a minute. And so I've got the Ninjacator on here as well. Right, so here is my favorite pair, as we know, the Great British Pound Australian Dollar. Now, I've already put my 35 pip lines on, so every one of these lines is 35 pips of profit. Okay, because this pair seems to really respect these 35 pip lines, as you can see. Look, so we keep these on here because it's incredibly brilliant on the GPAUD. Right, so as you can see now, we have got a red and a green background on our chart. This is the Ninja Matrix. Here it is. Right now, what it does is when the actual trade turns or reverses, it gives you a background color. So when the trade is coming down and it's changed from being an uptrend to a downtrend, we get the Ninja Matrix down arrow and the background color changes. So you can see that. There we go. So let's just look at this example here. Now we had a Ninja Matrix down here. Okay, you wouldn't look at that and think, oh, this is really changing now. But look, the background has turned red, which means we stay in this trade as long as this background is red. Now, see this little green stripe that's sharp here? This was either a news or an open of market or something like that that's caused this. So you would avoid trading around that period of time anyway, or you'd keep an eye on this and put a stop loss. But look, this is basically telling you to stay in this trade. So let's just see, if you'd have taken this Ninja Matrix down signal and you would have taken this all the way down, that trade there is 122 pips. Now, that gives you a perfect example of how powerful this Ninja Matrix is. So now what we're looking for on this chart, we've got our Ninja Matrix on. You can see all the stochastics are in the extreme and they are indicating a blue for a buy. They're telling us that this trade is going to be ready to buy soon. We've also had a harmonic pattern on this pair telling us that, oh, I've got my little screen over there, I don't know why. Telling us that we are ready to buy, but the Ninja Matrix is keeping us out of this trade. Can you see that? It's keeping us out because this color hasn't changed yet. And the amazing thing you can do with the Ninja Matrix is, if you click on these three dots on the matrix, you can add an alert on the Ninja Matrix. Now we're looking for a Ninja Matrix up, aren't we? We're looking for an up now. And I do it once per bar close, which means once the candle closes. And this is going to, literally, this is going to send me a text message and an email to tell me that the Ninja Matrix has gone up. Okay, so I've created that alert. This is on the 15-minute chart. So now all I do is I sit and I wait and I get on with my day and I wait for my alert. Now, when this background color changes to green and I get a Ninja Matrix up, that is when I'm going to be getting in this trade for the buy. Now, as long as this color change, when it changes, stays green, I will stay in that for as long as it's green. If it turns red again, I get out. That's as simple as that. So let's just put the Ninjacator back on this. Now, as you can see, if we'd have just gone, let me turn the matrix off. Turn the matrix off. That sounds really sci-fi, doesn't it? Let's turn the matrix off. If we'd have just gone on Ninjacators, right, with the Ninjacator, look, we are stuck in some serious consolidation here. This trade has been stuck for ages. But if we'd have got in on just the Ninjacator, we would have only got a few pips and we'd have just been sort of in, and then we would have got a ninja up and we would have gone, oh, do we get out? Do we get in? We're not sure. You know, this is just, it's reacting to the Ninjacator. But with the Ninja Matrix, look how now simple this is. If you can see these colors, right? If you can see that this is red and you stay in, you would get in here. You'd be stuck in it for a little while, a bit of consolidation. But you would have known because the red was in the background all the time. You know that this is still coming down. This tool is incredibly powerful and I am absolutely loving it. You can also use the Ninja Matrix on things like Bitcoin. It's been amazingly effective on Bitcoin as well. So people are using this to grab Bitcoin pips. Look, you would have got in here, you would have thought, oh, really? Is this really a down? But because the Matrix is telling you to stay in, you'd have had a little bit of drawdown. But then the Ninja down's coming in. So that's just clarifying it. But look, there would have been those pips there. Look, Ninja Matrix up here. You'd have taken this up. This bit here was just like a little kind of flash, but you'd have stayed. You wouldn't have, you would have got out of that there. You possibly would have got in for a bit of a sell, but you would have seen that it's changed back to green. So you'd have got out and got back in for the buy. Now this one kind of didn't really do anything. Once you got in, it kind of got stuck and you would have just got a couple of pips on that one. But look, Ninja Matrix down, you'd have got a few pips on that one. Ninja Matrix up, look at this move here. Look, but as soon as the background changes, you get out. You get out of these trades. So let's just check on in a random pair. Let's look at the GP ord. Look at this big drop it had here. Ninja down, Matrix down. There's a big one there. This one here is, I wouldn't get into this because this is like flashing a couple of colors. You want a nice, strong Ninja Matrix behind you. But at the moment, move my little face out of the way, right? At the moment, we're waiting now for this one. This is my favorite pair, and I just traded GP AUD anyway. So now I've got even more confirmations of how amazing this trade is going to be. And I'm just waiting now for my alerts to go off. So I can get on with my day and I can grab my 10 pips. And then if I want more than 10 pips, I can either just lock that 10 pips in. And if it's still green, I'll get in again. If it's still green, I'll just stay in. Or I can grab more than 10 pips if I want to, lower my lot size and just literally just ride this up all the time that it's green. I'd put my stop loss right under here when it changed, when it turned. Okay, and you just ride these colors. You ride the matrix. That is the Ninja Matrix, and it is exclusive to our Ninja Forex trading team. If you want the Ninja Matrix, you have to be part of our team because you have to go through an application process to get hold of that. It's completely private script that Kevin Ormer's programmed. So you can have the Ninjacator plus the Ninja Matrix plus the Ninja team, plus the live trading sessions, plus everything else as a bonus when you join and learn to trade with us. So there will be details of how to get hold of this, how to join the team in the video description below, or somewhere around this video, there'll be a link to an information website telling you all about the Ninja Forex trading team and what we can offer you. So that is exciting. I'll leave you to think about that. And just reach out to me if you want more information about the Ninja Matrix. As I said, we are in testing. We're on demos on this at the moment because we want to make sure that this is as good as we think it is before we really go through it with it, okay? But so far, the whole team are reporting amazing results with the Ninja Matrix. Oh, it's so futuristic. It's brilliant. Right. Thank you very much. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you very soon. End meeting.